If you wait for your heart rate monitor to beep before you slow down during an interval, you have likely already overtrained the session. Your heart isn't a light switch, it's a heavy freight train. When you surge, your muscles need oxygen instantly, but your heart takes up to 60 seconds to catch up to that demand. This creates the chasing trap during workouts. You look at your watch, see a low number, and panic. So you run faster to spike the number. By the time the monitor catches up, you have overshot your target intensity completely. Heart rate is perfect for steady efforts where demand is constant. However, for variable efforts like hills, race starts, or intervals, the data is always looking backward, not forward. Physiologically, you are bridging the gap with anaerobic energy. The metabolic cost is high immediately, even if the graph line hasn't risen yet to warn you. Fix this with effort anchoring. Start your rep based on RPE or target pace. Only check your heart rate in the second half of the interval to verify you aren't drifting. For short intervals, trust your body's feeling over the digital readout. The data is there to confirm your effort, not to dictate it second by second. Trust your legs first, your data second.